ready to start decorating our flying saucer now. It doesn't look much like a flying saucer yet. So what I've got is some blue fondant, the same fondant that I covered the flying saucer with. And I'm going to make a robe. Just a nice fat one. And the idea of this is that I want to outline the section where the dome is going to go. I could have actually laid some fondant on the cake and then put the rolled fondant on top, and it would have given it the hump underneath the fondant, make it all one smooth piece, but I didn't see the point. I'm just going to do it here for like a rim. It's a decoration. So we just put it around the top like so. This should be about 2 inches, which is about the size of my dome. Here is the, as you can see, this just comes right out. The Christmas ornament that I had, when I laid it upside down, it pulled a little bit, but you know, that's okay. And it also, see, it's about the same size as my dome here. So that looks like it's going to go pretty good. I'm actually going to pop it open, but we're okay for that. So we're just going to go ahead and put that on there. We're also going to use our aspect cutters, and we're going to start making some decorations for this. We'll put our dome aside. That's neat. Pretty cool. Okay. And roll this out. A little bit of cornstarch, it's a little sticky. There we go. Nice and thin. This is just going to make the tracking lights on our flying saucer, so I'm just going to use the football shape, I guess, to cut them out. Oops. And if I need the water to attach them, they're going to go up right here towards the top. Okay, some more on the other side. Out. Okay. Come out. And 3 for the back. I didn't quite get those even, did I? Move them over a little bit. There we go.